Hi, we're back at DesignCon 2013 at the Santa Clara Convention Center, and we're here in the MoSys booth with Gordon from Ardent and JP from MoSys. Gordon?
Hi, JP.
Hey, Gordon. Welcome to MoSys booth.
Thank you very much. Thank you for taking some time to talk with us today. So we're talking today about our latest product, the Terminator. And MoSys has been one of the early adopters of this technology. And I wonder if you could take a minute to tell us how would a connector like this be used in chip development?
So the chips these days have got lots of SerDes IOs, anywhere from 10 to hundreds of them in a single particular chip.
Okay.
And these connectors help us to connect the test instruments more efficiently.
Okay.
So we need to connect the test instruments in order for us to characterize the part.
Okay.
And to guarantee performance.
All right. So what made you take a look at the Ardent solution?
We first looked at the Omni Prober. So looking at this, it was very evident for us the same technology could be used for coaxial cable terminations.
Excellent.
And the other factor which was appealing to us was the 40 years bandwidth.
Okay. Can you tell us some of the problems this product solves for you?
The first and foremost is the board space.
Okay.
The other thing is it provides the ability for us to characterize our part much closer to the package pins, which is what is really realized.
Great.
In the past, we've used a lot of SMAs and SMP connectors, which tends to increase the board space, as well as it increases the interconnect length.
Okay.
So that increases the trace length negatively affects the characterization of your part.
Okay.
So using the connectors like this, reduce the trace length. Also helps us to focus on the characterization of part rather than on the affected by the parasitics of the board.
I see. So what are you trying to measure with this connector with respect to signal integrity?
In this particular setup, we're trying to measure the beta rate.
Okay.
So we transmit a certain number of bits, and ensuring that what we transmitted is what we receive.
Okay, bit error rate.
Yeah, the beta rate, which is the ultimate metric for a serial interconnect.
Okay, great. What does the Terminator solve when you compare it to other connector types that you've used in the past?
I think it's ease of use combined with performance.
Okay.
So one thing we know is working with the Terminate-R connector is we put this typically these connectors on the board around the DUT, much closer to the DUT.
Okay.
And it becomes, if you have an arrangement like that, it becomes very difficult to characterize your board with a DNA.
I see.
Because these connectors will tend to intercept the DNA probes.
I see.
And it becomes very difficult. And since the Terminate-R product line is actually a press fit,
yes,
so we can easily remove, and it enables the characterization of the board much easier.
Great. So you're saying because it's press fit or compression mount that you can remove it from the board and use planar probes to de-embed your losses in your printed circuit board?
Yeah, well said. Yeah, exactly that is.
Excellent. Thank you. Did you receive the necessary guidance from Ardent with respect to the printed circuit board design and other service factors?
Yeah, we really appreciate Ardent's technical support, expertise, and then more importantly, the cost response.
Thank you. Thank you. Can you envision any other applications for this type of connector?
Today we are using it for coaxial interconnect applications for the connecting SerDes IOs to test instruments.
Okay.
One could also envision this could be used for board-to-board interconnect applications.
Okay. So instead of this one being from a coaxial connector board, instead you'd be one Terminator like this on both sides, so you connect two boards together.
Exactly, two boards together.
Okay.
It's much more flexible and easier to work with two boards.
Great.
A lot easier.
Thank you. Do you have any final comments with respect to the Terminator product line?
Yeah, the Terminator product line is well suited for addressing test and measurement challenges associated with multi-gigabit SerDes, especially if they are very large in numbers.
Okay.
We believe the Terminator technology can scale in density, performance, and area.
Okay.
So which is also a primary factor.
Okay.
So we wish the Ardent team the very best. So.
Thank you. So what I'm hearing from you is that you would like to get the connector even closer to the device.
Of course, yeah.
Well, thank you very much for your time, JP.
Thank you, Gordon.
Good to see you.
Yeah, thank you.